Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set out of office in Microsoft Teams. So, at first, what you have to do is just open up your Microsoft Teams software, and then at the top right, you'll see your profile picture, and just next to it, you'll see the settings option. Just click on it. Then just go inside settings. Then on the left side, there's a hidden panel over here. Just hover your mouse over it, then just select it and drag it, and the settings will open. From the settings panel, make sure you're on General. Then scroll down a bit. You should see Out of Office over here. And sometimes Microsoft likes to update and remove the Out of Office settings from here. Just like me, if you don't see the options, that means you cannot set your Out of Office. But there's an alternative way to do it. So what you can do is just simply go to the top right and click on your profile picture. From here, just go to Available, just click on the arrow, and you'll get a bunch of more status. From here, if you're out of office, you can just set it to Be Right Back or Appear Away. So just gift anything from here, and this will make your colleagues know that you're not on your PC and you'll be right back. And if you want, you can also set a custom status if you want. You can just type, I will be back soon. And you can also clear the message after 1 day, 1 hour, this week, or you can just set never. Usually you should come back between 1 or 4 hours when it's office time. So you can set it like that and just click on done. And there you go. You can see that I have a status called Be Right Back along with the display message. And basically that is how to set out of office on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.